So we're gonna have a look at this tree, and it's not the best specimen of its kind, meaning that it's just a little bit on the young side, but it has a lot of the features that we can look at that are easily available and at a lower lower branch height and easier to grab. So what we're looking at is the horse chestnut. And the first thing you can notice is that it has really large terminal buds, and they're actually a little bit sticky too. So the terminal buds are quite large. Further along the stem, you might see some other smaller buds. But if we look below the buds, there's also another really distinctive feature we can look at, which is the leaf scar. So this is where the leaf was attached last season, and you can see these little dots are where the leaf veins, the fluids would go in and out of the leaf. So it's described as looking kind of like a shield, or maybe like a horseshoe with nails in it. So that's a really easy to look for trait. Most leaf scars aren't that big or easy to see. Sometimes you need a hand lens, but on the horse chestnut, they're nice and large and easy to see. And the terminal buds, again, very large, very sticky, quite obvious. Another thing you can look for on the ground is the conkers. So horse chestnut makes tons and tons of these fruit, where they have this kind of shiny black nut-like thing, and they'll be kept inside this spiky case. So when these are first developing, they're green, and then they change to a brown color, and they're quite prevalent. You can see even this young tree has made enough nuts that it's easy to find them on the ground. You can also find pieces of the leaves on the ground. They're somewhat durable, but they don't really look very much like the leaf, because the leaves of a horse chestnut are compound, meaning they fall apart really easily. So this is just part of the horse chestnut leaf. They'll be made up of a whole bunch of these sections that were all connected together. So, but the leaf itself is the leaflet itself is fairly durable and has these really distinctive vein patterns on it. So yeah, if you're looking at a horse chestnut, try and look for the conkers and the large terminal buds and the large leaf scars.